In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an efficient order form using Google Forms. Whether you're collecting requests for a small business or organizing a large community event, Google Forms offers a simple yet powerful way to gather the information you need. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Google Forms website. Simply type Google Forms into your Google search bar and click on the first link that appears. Once you're on the home page, you'll see various templates to choose from. Select the blank form since we will be customizing it to suit your specific order form needs. Now that you have your blank canvas ready, it's time to start adding questions to your form. Click on the untitled form name at the top and enter a clear and descriptive title, like Order Form. This will help you when organizing your forms in the future. Also, consider adding a brief description right underneath to provide your respondents with context or instructions on how to fill out the form. Next, let's add the essential questions. Click on the plus sign to add your first question. An important start would be asking for the respondent's full name. Google Forms automatically defaults to a multiple-choice question format, so make sure to switch it to short answer, which is more suitable for name input. From here, continue adding other essential fields such as email address and phone number. This information will be crucial for contacting your respondents if needed. For these fields, once again, make sure you choose the short answer question type. Now let's turn our attention to the order-specific questions. You might want to know what item the customer wants to order, so add a question prompting them to specify this. Use the multiple choice or drop-down options if you have a set list of items. For those allowing custom orders, you might choose paragraph, enabling respondents to describe their request in detail. Don't forget to ask about quantities or any additional options like sizes, colors, or features. These could be added as drop-downs or multiple-choice selections, depending on the complexity of your options. Be sure to mark these questions as required by toggling the Required button at the bottom of each question, ensuring you collect all necessary information before the form is submitted. After laying out all your questions, preview your form by clicking on the eye icon at the top right. This will give you an opportunity to see the form as your respondents will and confirm everything appears as intended. Finally, once you're satisfied with your form, click on the Send button. You have various options for sharing your form. Email the link directly to your audience, share it via social media, or even embed it into your website. When sharing, consider shortening the URL using the provided checkbox for a cleaner presentation. And that's it. You've successfully created an order form using Google Forms. Now you can efficiently collect and manage orders straight from your digital platform. Thank you for joining, and I hope you found this guide helpful.